Hey guys, Sean the Family Roofer here. Just wanted to take a quick video while I was up on this roof. So we have a 3-tab shingle here with 19 solar panels. So something you're going to want to consider when you're looking to go into solar or get into solar is the age of your roof. This roof now needs replaced just due to the age of it. So taking all of that solar off is an additional cost, and then reattaching that solar once the roof has been completed is also an additional cost. So these are things that you want to be mindful of when you are looking to get into solar. Is anytime the roof has to be replaced, there is going to be an additional cost with detaching and resetting the solar. So just wanted to make this quick video, make you guys aware. Just have your roof inspected prior to looking to put solar up. Thanks guys, hope you're having a great day.